I have ordered this monitor from Amazon. It cost me around 10,000. I'm looking around a 10,000 budget monitors. So here we can see the manufacture date 2026 and all the details. It has 27-inch display and full HD and in-panel switching and 144Hz refresh rate. I think this 144Hz refresh will only by using DP port or video port, and bezel-less and inbuilt speakers. 3-watt speakers are given, 2 into 3 watt. Let's open this monitor. Carefully unseal this. So they have given one HDMI cable and user manual. This is also a warranty card. And one stand mount with a screw. Power cord. A stand with Lenovo branding. We'll take it out. Carefully, handle with care. Nice quality and with matte finish and almost bezel-less. Almost bezel-less. One video port, audio jack and 2 HDMI ports and power cable. Let's fix this. And this is very easy to fix. Done. It's very simple. That's it. Very steady and looking good. Very slim also. And let's connect laptop and give the power, then we'll see how it look like. Let's remove the power cable. and where it is plug in properly. And this HDMI cable also we can connect. So the best thing is we can manage wires from here like this. For full review about this Lenovo L27-4C monitor, please follow me.